Hey guys, Jesse Reno here, and still fighting with this painting that I've been fighting with for the last month. But I was gone from it for 2 weeks, so I couldn't touch it. So to get myself going, I chose to work in this area over here that you can see there wasn't much activity going on, and a lot of people are afraid they're going to mess it up. But I usually, well, I'm not afraid to mess it up, but when I am, or to get myself going or convinced, I usually work in an area that I'm like, hey, there's no big deal if I wreck this whole area. Look, I can draw all those faces, and I could still reclaim that zebra really easy, and I start to even here. And I like some of the ideas I did, but nothing really was catching. So I thought, all right, I am going to wipe it back to the zebra and kind of give it a new feel. Maybe I'll ghost it out and it'll look good in this mist. And that was looking good to me for a while, but I don't know. I guess I'm just still never really got as connected to the zebra form as I wanted to. I mean, it's a great form, it's a great posture. I really like the movement of it, but it just never kind of clicked. And I'm, jumping the gun because I know what's coming next here. And still pulling it out though. I thought, I don't know. You never know. You never really know when a little move that seems insignificant is going to change the whole piece and turn it into something awesome or cue some thought that makes you see what could be. And but anyway, I didn't see any of those, so I got more and more kind of on the attack mode. Put more imagery in there to see what it pulls or shifts or what ideas I might have from it. So I stuck that bird in. I got this other horse. I don't know. Some of them were ideas, some of them were just impulsive. I like the way they looked, trying to decide, do I want to let this whole thing go and go in a new direction? Do I want it to interact with the previous direction? Now I started getting pretty excited, even though that's not the best color. I like the color play, started really exciting me. So I started adding more color. So you just kind of follow what works or doesn't. And when it doesn't work, you move on to some new idea. Instead of imagery, let's go to color and see what that does. And, I'm in a different situation. I'm still not super stoked on this painting, but there's new areas I'm excited about. And for me, that's the most important thing. I mean, staying excited and having fun with your work, keeping it going until it's done.